clear it out here. If you are thinking that we are positive always, all the time, that
Hmm.
my dear learners, my dear viewers,
It's
you
not.
are you are suffering with the positivity, toxic positivity, right?
Hmm.
Instead of saying that I'm always positive, say it, I'm a positive person, I have an approach to sort it out my problems, right?
Yes.
In that way you can say it, because we can't be positive, today. And welcome to my YouTube channel. So tell me something about yourself, I'm all ears.
Yeah. Thank you so much. It's a great opportunity for me. And
Hmm.
as you know, myself, my name is Poonam Bes, and I'm a proud mother of one son, and I'm a homemaker. And I recently I create my YouTube channel where I upload my conversation videos and short videos because I'm very passionate about this language. I want to learn this language at any cost. So this
Yes,
is pretty
great.
much about it. This is a great intro, I'd say.
Okay, tell me what is great in my intro. Let's just start in that way.
For me, you have a twin, so you are blessed, I think.
Yes, yes,
This is a
yes.
great, this is great to hear. Like you have a twin, so because I have a son, and he's also very good, but it's my dream, not dream. It's a, I want to a baby girl.
Oh, great, great, great. Okay, so what is enduring path in your introduction for me is that you are passionate towards this language. That's very enduring for me. So let me ask you one question, right? What is English for you? I mean, we always, just running after the English. You and I, we all not. I believe we all are running after the English language. Right, but if I ask, what is that English language for you? Why are you running after this language?
Okay, actually, English language is like one of etiquettes.
Uh-huh.
Come from etiquette, and it's give too much confidence.
Oh, wow.
I
Yes.
feel that actually earlier I was not serious about this language. I can speak manageable English. I did many jobs in my life, but I was not passionate about it. And 4 months ago, I came across some YouTubers, and
Uh-huh.
I didn't know about this type of stuff also there on YouTube channel.
Okay.
So I came across and I got motivated from them. If they
Mm-hmm.
can speak, so why I cannot?
Yes.
So that inspired me a lot for this language, and it's all about confidence, I would say, and it's not if you can speak this in language, so it's automatically you are full of confidence.
Hmm. So all I mean to say, if I say that you are looking for the confidence, right, by this language, then it would not be wrong.
Yes, no,
Okay, great. For me, English language is just a language only. I don't take any kind of a burden that I need to run after this language, because what I believe that if you are chasing something in your life, you will
Mhm.
not get it in a
Mhm.
natural way, right?
Yes,
And
yes,
if you want to learn this language, then be natural,
yes, true,
because
true. It is
language,
a process. Actually, it is a process.
yeah, yeah,
It's not
language
a
it
magic.
is.
It's not like a medicine. Like you just purchase somewhere and you just and next day you will be pro. It's not like that. It's a process.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I also feel like I'm not improving or like that, but I have to accept this is a process. This is not a magic. We have to put hard
Yes.
work or consistent.
Yes, yes. And one thing I would like to add on here, English is not a knowledge.
Yes,
English not a knowledge. English just a language. English just a metaphor, right?
yes, true,
And
true.
if you are measuring the capability, intelligence, knowledge of a person by this language, then my dear, you are wrong, right? You need to keep one thing in your head, that Americans can't speak Hindi. So take that privilege. You are putting your efforts towards this language, right? You should pat your back. Actually, you should
Yes,
be proud of yourself, isn't it?
yes, true. I agree.
Okay. So tell me one more thing. I would like to ask you. We are talking about the proud.
Hmm.
I use a particular word here, proud. You proud yourself. I proud myself. I think everyone proud of yourself, right?
Hmm.
Everyone somewhere down the line, we all feel like proud, right?
Yes.
and that word we are using on daily basis. I proud myself, I proud my son, I proud my family, blah blah blah, many things. But when I
Mhm.
ask you the question, proud is a simple word, but what is the meaning of proud for you?
Mhm. Yes. For me, being a proud means feeling happy,
Ah,
confident, and good about something you or someone else has done.
uh-huh.
Like it is a positive feeling, and when you achieve something in your life, and
Mm-hmm.
I think we have to pat our back when
Mm-hmm.
we achieve something, and
Mm-hmm.
every small achievement. It's not like the
Mm-hmm.
big achievement. Every
Yes.
small achievement. Like for me, it's a like achievement because I it's not an introvert, but I was an introvert person, not very much
Mm-hmm.
if we talk about this language. So I was an introvert person. So when I took a session, no, very first session,
Mm-hmm.
and when I like with confident, I spoke with that person.
Don't take the name of any YouTuber.
Yes, 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 I know. Yeah, I took a session with YouTubers, and and that was my very first session, and
Okay.
I proud myself because I without nervousness, and that was great conversation, I would say, and
Mm-hmm.
that
Yes.
time I pat my back. That is the achievement for me, and
You should proud.
now I'm able to communicate in English with anyone, not in a very in a topical like that, but I am able to communicate.
Yes,
And
you
also,
are able to hold the
yeah, that is
conversation.
also achievement for me. So this is the proud moment for me.
Ah, great, great. What I believe that proud is something which give you immense pleasure,
Hmm.
deep satisfaction, right?
Yes.
A kind of a deep satisfaction. It may be anything. Let's just take an example in that way. Let me take the example. If I'm eating a food, right? If I'm eating a food, and
Yes.
one person comes to me and saying that, ma'am, I'm feeling very hungry because I haven't eaten since morning. So what I'll do that time, I'll offer my food to him or her, right? And by
Mm-hmm.
giving my food to him or her, I feel deep pleasure,
Yes.
deep, immense kind of a satisfaction. That is a proud
Uh,
moment for me.
mm,
And what I believe that, proud is somewhere associated with your happiness. And
yes. True.
happiness, yes, and happiness is something you are, it is not a result, it is your choice, right? It is your choice. Why I'm saying, if you wanted to become a happy, right, you can be happy at any time,
Yes.
right? You can find your happiness in small things, in trivial things, but, no, but not by accepting that, not by expecting that someone will come and make you happy and happy moment will come to you. No, happiness is everywhere, it's in your heart, right? So proud moment is everywhere. All you need to just change your
Mm,
mindset.
yes. Yes. You have to be always positive. No thinking. Positive
Yes,
thinking.
yes,
Like
yes, yes. But one thing I would like to clear here: we can't be positive always, all the time.
yeah, being a
We have
human,
to be.
it's a human
Uh,
tendency, I would say.
yes.
Like we can't stay, happy or positive every time. But it's a being a human. So we have to,
Mhm.
so many responsibilities, and we have to do, sometime about children, about career, about family responsibilities. But still, we can, know, uh, stay calm, and it's depend on our mind.
Yes, yes. But I would like to say it here. For my proud moment. For me, proud moment is for me, proud moment if I'm not disrespecting anyone, right?
Hmm.
If I'm not poking my nose into the matters of others, right? If I'm helping someone, if I'm motivating someone, that is all our proud moment for me,
We can
right?
help others, so that is also proud moment for me.
Yes, 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 absolutely. So tell me something about, anything, the best hack, the best method you are applying in your life to broaden the horizon of your Lord. I mean, to polish your communication skill. What is your hack? I'm all ears.
Mm, it's quite difficult for me. It's not because when I start my English journey, I inculcate the habit of reading books. And
Okay.
Yes, I completed two, three books. One of Sudhamurti ma'am book, or
Hmm.
Good Good Life, Secrets, and Power of Subconscious Mind. So
Okay.
what I experienced earlier, I was not this type of. Nowadays, I am very positive person.
Uh-huh.
And
Okay.
yes, and nowadays I morning and evening at the before the hit the bed. So that time I
Mm-hmm.
try to thank God because He
Uh-huh.
gave me thank you for that.
Mm-hmm. Great.
And, reading habits really is good, and I discussed with my husband also. Earlier
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know about that because I don't like. I was not into reading. But
Mm-hmm.
because learning this language and so many people recommend me this and that book, YouTubers
Mm-hmm.
also, and YouTube through YouTube you can like so many people are recommend this book. You have to read this book. You can learn this language easily. So I did.
Mm-hmm.
I learned English, okay, but practical of life. I learned
Mm-hmm.
this thing also from the
Okay.
books.
From the
Yes,
books.
yes,
Yes,
from the books.
not just the reading, not just the reading, but you improve your practical approach towards
Yes,
life
yes,
through
yes.
reading books.
So now I'm a very positive person.
Okay, so let me ask you one and the last question. Now
Yeah,
you just
sure.
said that I'm a very positive person. So what is the definition for you? Positive, just a being happy or what?
Yes, in our inner peace, you can say that, or like we are always, which I don't have. So we have. I wish I have a car. I wish I have a bungalow. I wish like that. I wish. So we are always thinking about that. I think
Mm-hmm.
might be I'm wrong, but I'm that person. I wish I have this and I have that always.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not thankful God, which I have already. We have to think
Mm-hmm.
about that, which I have. Yes, I have a great family. I have a good husband, and I'm very
Mm-hmm.
blessed too because my husband always admire me and always support me. And I have a wonderful son. He's not like that because he is in 10th class. He's not like that. He's very, what I should say, like not reserved. Like he always share with me each and everything about
Okay.
about
Uh-huh.
everything, each and everything. He's like that. So
Okay.
I appreciate that, and I thank to God. Yes, you give me good family, good husband, and good son, and my parents and sibling also. So I
Well said.
always yes,
Well said, well said, well said. Positivity is not all about that you are accepting the good things in your life.
mm,
Positivity that you have to accept each and everything, whatever comes in your way, right? And
mm,
if you are struggling for something, then you need to sort it out as well.
yes,
And one more thing, I wanted to clear it out here. If you are thinking that we are positive always, all the time, that
mm,
my
mm,
dear learners, my dear viewers,
it's
you
not.
are you are suffering with the positivity, toxic positivity,
Hmm.
right? Instead of saying that I'm always positive, say it, I'm a positive person, I have an approach to sort it out my problems, right?
Yes,
In that way you can say it, because we can't be positive. Even the great speaker can't be positive always, all the time. The one thing they have learned in their life to
mm,
channelize their energy, right? So
yes,
learn that art to channelize your energy into a positive things,
mm,
right? So
yes,
okay, great to connect with you, Poonam. And I think you are from Uttarakhand. I can see you know, because
yes.
best, yes, is always
You
belongs
are
to
also
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand, so
Yes,
we
I'm also.
Uttarakhandi rock.
Yes, east or west, east or west, Uttarakhand is the best. All I mean to say, you know, the whole India, the India is a great country, yeah, right? But
Yes,
yes, east or west, Uttarakhand is best. Because
yes.
why I'm saying it? Because we come from the beauty of hills, you know, and heaven. I would say it is a kind of a heaven on the
Mhm.
on this earth,
Yeah,
right?
it's a Devbhoomi. Yeah,
Right.
Kedarnath, Badrinath is all here. So it's a it's
Yes.
called Devbhoomi.
Yes, great, great. Okay,
Mm.
then let's just seize that conversation on that positive note. We will connect again, and it
Yes,
was really scintillating conversation we ate and left no crumbs here. Looking forward to connect with you again.
yeah, sure. It's my pleasure actually.
Till
Yeah.
time, have a great day and bye bye.
Okay, bye. Same to you.